Welcome to our Valentine's Day decorations video. Today we are going to show you how some great ideas for decorating your home for the most romantic day of the year. Whether you are single or in relationship, there's something for everyone in this video. So grab your pen and papers and let's get started. Idea number one is romantic candles. In the first way, we are going to show you how to decorate with romantic candles. Candles are a great way to create a cozy and romantic atmosphere in your home. You can use a variety of different candles in different sizes, shapes, and colors. To start, you will need to choose a variety of candles in different sizes and shapes. You can use tall candles, short handles, and even tea lights. You can also choose candles in different colors such as red, pink, or white. Next, you will need to choose a place to put your candles. You can place them on your dining table or your mantelpiece or on side table. You can also use candle holders to make your candles stand out even more. Finally, you will need to light your candles. Make sure you use a lighter or matches and not a cigarette lighter. Once your candles are lit, you will be able to enjoy the cozy and romantic atmosphere they create. Idea number two is romantic flowers. The second idea we are going to show you is how to decorate with romantic flowers. Flowers are a great way to add a touch of romance to your home. You can use a variety of different flowers in different colors, shapes, and sizes. To start, you will need to choose a variety of flowers. You can use red roses, pink roses, or even white roses. You can also choose other type of flowers such as lilies, daisies, or carnations. Next, you will need to choose a place to put your flowers. You can place them on your dining table, on your mantelpiece, or on a side table. You can also use vases to make your flowers stand out even more. Finally, you will need to arrange your flowers. You can arrange them in a bouquet of flowers. You can arrange them in a bucket or in vase. You can also add some greenery to your arrangement to make it look even more beautiful. Idea number three is romantic balloons. The third idea we are going to show you is how to decorate with romantic balloons. Balloons are a great way to add a touch of fun and romance to your home. You can use a variety of different balloons in different colors, shapes, and sizes. To start, you will need to choose a variety of balloons. You can use red balloon, pink balloons, or even white balloons. You can also choose other colors such as purple, yellow, or blue. Next, you will need to choose a place to put your balloons. You can place them on your dining table, on your mantelpiece, or on side table. You can also use strings or ribbons to tie your balloons to different places in your home. Finally, you will need to inflate your balloons. You can use a manual pump or an electric pump. Once your balloons are inflated, you will be able to enjoy the fun and romantic atmosphere they create. Idea number four is romantic table setting. The fourth idea we are going to show you is how to decorate your table for a romantic dinner.